Will autonomous colleges change their decision from offline to online exam? Because Mumbai University ने declare कर दिया है that 6th semester and 4th semester exams will be happening in online mode. In this video, I'm going to tell you that what Xavier's, Mitibai and Jai Hind College wants to say to their student, and is it legally possible for a college to take a decision against Mumbai University. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. As you all know that a lot of students have written a concern letter with their parents, of course, that they don't want an offline exam to Xavier's College, Mitibai College and Jai Hind College. But Xavier's College के principal ने semester end के बारे में clearly, legally correct answer दिया है to the students that they are autonomous college and they are free to take a decision about the exam mode. So the colleges, those who are autonomous, उनके लिए मैंडेटरी नहीं है कि वो जो मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी बोलती है उसे फॉलो करे. सो ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेजेस हैव द राइट टू चूज देयर मेथड ऑफ इवैल्यूएशन. सो यस, दे गोना बी कीपिंग ऑफलाइन एग्जाम. सो द लेटर विच यू सी ऑन माई स्क्रीन इज देयर ऑन द वेबसाइट. आई विल पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल. ऑल्सो दे हैव सेड दैट 26th February 2022 they have issued a notice to all the students that they will have to prepare for offline exam and make their arrangement accordingly. So it was informed and they are trying to accommodate practicals taking online. वो भी उन्होंने clarify किया है. And yes, Maharashtra government has removed most of the COVID protocols in the state. So 1st November को तो official notice भी आ गई थी regarding COVID protocols being changed. And SSC, HSC exam आप जानते हो कि offline हो रहे हैं. So they are saying it is no big deal that students can come to college and give offline exam. As events and fest are happening, are 100% functional. So yes, they are giving a valid reason to the students. For the transportation also, they have mentioned that most of the students have been doubly vaccinated. So yes, it is allowed for them to travel in the local train. They have also mentioned about the stay problem which students are facing. So they have recommended few of the college hostels in the locality, and the canteen is also partially functional from Feb 1st. So they have given the clear instruction to the students that looking at the situation and the circumstances, we are good to go with the offline examination, and during offline examination all the protocols and the COVID norms will be followed. Looking at this guys, I'm sure that all the other colleges which is autonomous, be it Jai Hind, be it Ruia, be it Mitibai, they will be taking their own decision to conduct the exam. So even if you are in BCom, like the traditional courses, they might conduct their exams offline. So those who are asking me कि BCom, TY और जो SY के exams है वो online होंगे क्या offline, now it completely depends on which college are you in. If you are in autonomous, you will have to wait for your college instruction. अगर आप मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी affiliated college से हो and वो autonomous नहीं है तो आपका एग्जाम पक्के से ऑनलाइन होगा. In the end, very important point to be noted guys for all the Xavierite, and it will be applicable to other colleges also, because they will also come up with such a protocol. That is, if you still insist on not reporting for offline exam, you will then have to appear for additional exam in October 2022, which will be in offline mode only and will be 100 marks examination. The choice is yours. We prefer you not waste the first opportunity. You have 50 marks end semester examination that is being tailored to make evaluation less stressful for you. This is the clear stance of St. Xavier's College, and I believe all the other autonomous colleges will also come with linear evaluation method if you appear now and will not oppose the whole thing. And yes, in the end, again, I'm repeating the same thing, that if your college is Mumbai University affiliated, they will compulsorily have to take the examination online, और ये decision change नहीं होगा, don't worry. But autonomous colleges अपना खुद का decision ले सकते हैं. ये पढ़ने के बाद, ये letter देखने के बाद तो आपको ये समझ गया ही होगा. तो कुछ बच्चे पूछेंगे कितना फेयर अनफेयर है गाइज, वो तो मैं नहीं आपको बोल सकती फेयर अनफेयर है, बिकॉज आपने ही कॉलेजेस चूज किए हैं, एंड ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेजेस स्पेशली लाइक Xavier's and who want to keep their reputation and quality of education, they will stick by it. So you will have to accept now what they are saying. I hope guys the video was helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.